Good morning on day 12. It's a little after 8. I started walking. I packed my things before they opened the restaurant. So I was ready at 7, but it was super dark and I was like, I'm gonna have a coffee, use the bathroom one more time and just wait for the daylight. The owner was super great, like he was asking me even in the evening if I need water or anything, if he can bring me something, if I need extra blanket. But the night was warm. Usually I sleep in my puff jacket because I'm a cold sleeper. But now I was taking it off. I took my socks off, I took my puff jacket off, and I even didn't close the quilt completely as I used to. I usually there are two kind of strap. One strap is connecting it to the air mattress and one more strap to connect it around your body so there are no drafts, and one more around the neck and you can cinch it down. And I didn't have it cinched completely because it was super warm. One thing I noticed about Spain, and I found it really interesting, is they are pretty big at gambling here, or at least it seems like it. You have slot machines in almost every pub. They sell scratch tickets everywhere. It's interesting to see that they are so into it. Right now I'm 17 kilometers from Sevilla, from my accommodation. There are some noises, so maybe I'll stop the video and start talking again in a minute. You can see Christmas is coming. Feliz Navidad. Yeah, I have it almost 17 kilometers to Sevilla, directly to my accommodation, which I booked 2 days ago. And I got it recommended by Juan, he's walking ahead of me, as I told yesterday. And basically I'm gonna be following this road all the way to Sevilla. But I hope I always gonna have an option to walk on a side road, because I don't want to walk on that busy road. I'm excited to take a shower, I'm excited to sleep in bed. I'm also pretty excited about Sevilla. It's a very historical city, so I'm gonna take a walk there without my backpack for once. It's gonna be interesting. I hope I'm gonna get there pretty early so I can get some rest, because right now I don't want to be taking 0 days, more like Nero's. Maybe I'll take a Nero tomorrow out of town. I didn't avoid walking on the main road, but there is a big shoulder and also 2 lanes, so I feel pretty safe. It's not that bad. And over there where the factory or whatever it is, there is a sidewalk or side road again, so I just need to get there. And there is a pretty sunrise over there. Yeah, looks like it's gonna be a nice day. I think it's warmer than last few days. I'm currently in an industrial area. There is some logistic company. There was Amazon over there. Also some solar company. There is also some factory. But I don't mind, because thanks to that I have sidewalks and it's pretty safe to walk around here. Here on the sidewalk as well. But if you need to go on the main road, it's also super safe. I like this. I definitely did some sketchy road walks in the past, so it's nice to have the option to do it safely. And now the sad part of being close to town. Yep. You better watch the steps and be glad you can't smell through the video, because it smells disgusting here. Oh my god. That is gross. I'm trying to watch my steps for the broken glasses. If you would need a boat, there are 4 laying here. just next to the road. And I'm road walking again, but there is a big shoulder, so it's okay. Look at the tiny little rainbow. So cute. I'm finally entering the city. I took a short break. I have less than 10 kilometers to my accommodation, but the check-in is not until 2 p.m. and it's 10. So I have plenty of time. I also wanted to praise Leukotape a little bit, because 2 days ago I was suffering from 7 blisters. I popped them, I taped them, and now I cannot feel them. So Leukotape is just an awesome thing, and I really appreciate it, because I do suffer from blisters and I suffer quite a lot. It's not just an inconvenience for me, it's just very painful, and they can get very big, and sometimes another blister forms underneath. And the toe socks and the Leukotape are my saviors. So it's awesome. It's day 12 and I'm finally starting to feel some hunger. I definitely haven't been eating enough past 12 days, or 11. So I'm definitely hungry, but I have it like less than 4 kilometers to the accommodation. So I'm not gonna eat now. But yeah, it's not even noon. I've already walked almost 14 kilometers. And yeah, I feel good today. Maybe the vision of a shower and bed is pushing me forward, but yeah, it's going good. I'm just approaching the city center and look at that palace. Wow. That is massive. It's not even 1 p.m. and I walked almost 18 kilometers and made it to my accommodation for tonight. So this is my room for tonight. It's pretty small, but definitely enough for me. There is a beautiful rain shower. Oh my god, I can't wait to take a shower, and even a hair dryer. Awesome. Also look at the beautiful patio. Awesome. So I'm walking through Sevilla and it's so beautiful in here. Also I recommend 100 Montaditos. They have like mini burgers and mini baguettes and they're just amazing. You can try different kinds. Wow. Just beautiful. I don't understand how can someone do graffiti on such a beautiful building. Wow, it just makes me mad.